Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue ringtone volume is low for incoming calls. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. I would be showing two methods. Method 1. Go to settings, tap on the settings sub icon, go down, select face ID and passcode, enter the passcode here, go down. We have to disable this option, attention aware features. Tap here and disable. Okay, this is a method 1. Then go back. Let me go to method 2. Again, go to settings, select sounds. Then here we can increase ringtone volume, increase it. So these are the two methods to fix this ringtone volume is low issue. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.